Welcome to class 11. Armistice. Meaning, a formal agreement to stop fighting. Example, the two countries signed an armistice to end the war. Armor. Meaning, strong protective covering for the body. Example, the soldier wore metal armor to protect himself in battle. Arnica. Meaning, a plant used to reduce pain and swelling. Example, she applied arnica cream on her bruised knee. Aromatherapy. Meaning, treatment using pleasant natural oils and scents. Example, lavender oil is used in aromatherapy to relax the mind. Arose. Meaning, happened or appeared. Example, a new problem arose during the meeting. Arrest. Meaning, to take someone into police custody. Example, police arrested the thief last night. Arsenal. Meaning, a large collection of weapons. Example, the military keeps its arsenal in a secure area. Arson. Meaning, crime of setting fire to property. Example, he was punished for arson after burning the shop. Artifact. Meaning, an old object made by humans. Example, the museum displayed a 2,000-year-old artifact. Arthropod. Meaning, animals with jointed legs like insects and spiders. Example, a crab is also an arthropod. Articular. Meaning, related to joints of the body. Example, articular pain means pain in the joints. Orifice. Meaning, a small opening or hole in the body or an object. Example, air entered the bottle through a tiny orifice. Arty. Meaning, artistic or creative in style. Example, her room looks very arty with colorful paintings. Arum. A type of flowering plant. Example, arum plants grow well in moist soil. Aryan. Meaning, an ancient Indo-European group, historical term. Example, Aryans migrated into the Indian region long ago. Asafoetida. Meaning, a strong-smelling spice used in cooking. Example, asafoetida helps digestion when added to food. Asbestos. Meaning, a heat-resistant mineral now banned due to health risks. Example, old buildings often contain dangerous asbestos. Ascend. Meaning, to move upward. Example, they slowly ascended the mountain. Ascension. Meaning, the act of rising or going up. Example, the balloon's ascension into the sky was beautiful.